Welcome back to JMom's Gallery! For today's video guys, we're gonna make pastillas! My name is Jaira. Come on guys, let's start making pastillas! So guys, here are the ingredients. We have condensed milk, 1 cup of condensed milk, 1 cup of powdered milk, 1 cup of sugar, and toothpick. The first step that we need to do, we're gonna combine the powdered milk and the condensed milk in a big bowl. And then mix well. And then guys, we're gonna mix it very well. After mixing powdered milk and condensed milk, we can now make pastillas balls. So guys, I already washed my hands, and let's make pastillas balls. Thanks for watching, guys.